Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101. Today I'm going to show you a new little security feature we bought for us when we go on vacation, when you're in hotels or even Airbnbs, and that is a portable security doorstop. This one is an alarm. It actually takes a 9-volt battery. Me and my wife just got back from vacation. We use this one. This one has 120 decibels, so it's super loud. My advice is when you're going to be putting this in the door, or if you're going to be testing this, do this during the daytime, or at dinner time, 7. You don't want to do this at about midnight because this thing is super loud. It's easy to use, and we're actually going to do another security feature for traveling, which you put in the door to help stop from people coming in. But we like this one. It's very portable, and pretty much you're going to stick this to the door, and when the door opens, it triggers this. Now, to just set it, to arm it, pretty much, you put it on. Now, I'm going to do a demo, but just so you can hear it. But then we're also going to show you how it works when you're doing this with the door. And then also, too, you also have the sensitivity of low, medium, and high, and that's for everybody. So to turn that off, you have to click it off. So we actually have one of the handle mechanisms that stops from people, if they're sticking that rod underneath, if they try to crank down the door, it actually stops from doing that. We had that one too. There's two different sides. I'm going to do a video on that, but we really like this one because it's just so quick and easy to do. And when you mess with the sensitivity, you put this in the door, they think it's going to be quick and easy. With that being so loud in a hotel or wherever you're at, Airbnb, depending, this is going to help. So now what we're going to do is show you how this works with the door. So right now, just to show you for the demo, we actually have this by our front door. Most of the time, if you're in a hotel, there's no rug or anything like that, but this still works on the rug. So you want to put the doorstop close to the door, so as soon as they open it, because they're going to try to be quiet, that alarm's going to go off and scare the crap out of them, and they're going to go. So what we're going to do is, so you're going to kind of see. Super loud, which is very great. You can mess with the sensitivity, but this is good to even put at your house, your front door, because that's going to scare anyone if they're trying to come in through your front door. So we're going to go back to the table and wrap this video up for you. So now to tell you the price point of it, to where I'm going to put a couple of them on there. What we did was I got a 2-piece set to where, and it's going to be a separate video, where you have the portable door lock and the door stop. And I got that for $12.39. Or you can get 2 of the door stops for $12.39. And there's some other deals to where you can get 2 door stops and 2 of these for a different price. But we're going to do a separate video on this because we want just to focus on the door stop itself. And for the price point, it's very good. And even my wife said it was very easy to just set up and have it ready to go by the front door when you're getting ready for the end of the night. Now, the one thing we definitely said we're probably going to end up doing is we already ordered another one of this, because sometimes when you stay in hotels or you stay at a resort, depending on what type of room, there's usually another door that goes to another room. Then you have the adjoining door. Now, the one thing it's nice about this, it's quick and easy to set up, especially if you're leaving early in the morning, because where we had this one on the adjoining door, we had to try to be very quiet because our plane was early, so unlocking that at 4 in the morning, because you don't want to wake your neighbors. Possibly they're thinking you're trying to break in. So these are great to have, easy to install. Like I said, we're going to do a video on this one, show you how that works out. But we really liked how easy this was. The only thing you want to do is just have a 9-volt battery. So if you're going to have 2 of these, my advice is have 2 extra 9 volts with you. So with that being said, definitely, thinking about security out there. This is not even good for, hotels or Airbnbs. It's also good for your house too. So it's all about trying to be prepared and being prepared what's going on in this world. So write in the comments below that if you guys travel, if you guys use something like this portable security door stopper, love to hear about it. And have you guys had success with how easy it is? Just would like to hear your guys' how it worked for you. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and if you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much. We will catch you guys down the road.